Hi. Are you aware that SimplyBook.me offers a range of tools that can help you increase sales and enhance your marketing efforts? The purpose of this video is to showcase these tools to make sure that you're making the most of your SimplyBook.me account. Let's get right into it. All SimplyBook.me accounts are automatically listed on Booking.page, our company marketplace. This helps potential clients find your business and allows you to feature their reviews. You can also set up coupons and gift cards to offer discounts and have clients purchase your services as gifts to their friends and loved ones. Products for sale and service add-ons can be configured to help you maximize your earning potential. Google Business, Facebook and Instagram bookings will seamlessly integrate links to your booking page to the respective social media pages and Google search results. Instagram photo sharing will help you liven up your booking page with the content from your company's Instagram account. Using our client mobile app will allow you to offer your clients a personalized booking app which they will be able to use to book with you. Last but not least, you can utilize the Book Soon notification system to send automated come back soon messages and encourage customer loyalty. Using these features will surely help you increase your business and grow your brand with SimplyBook.me. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.